Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to download on PC and use Xeno Executor for Roblox 2025. This is going to be a free and keyless tutorial. So step 1, System Requirements. Make sure you have Windows 10 and 11 with a 64-bit recommendation. Net framework should be 4.8 or higher. Disable antivirus temporarily because may detect executors as false positives. So how can you disable your antivirus? So basically go to firewall right there, open it up right here, and there should be firewall antivirus here. Or another option is go to security. Windows and security should be the settings here. As you can see right there, mine is currently turned off. Real-time protection is turned on, but cloud delivery protection is off, and sample submission. So this is what they're talking about, real-time protection. Turn this off for the meantime, and moving forward, simply download this Xeno Executor on a trusted website. So basically click download and save the zip file, install and set up, basically extract, run, and allow, and launch Roblox on the Xeno Executor. Open Roblox in any and join any game. Open the Xeno Executor and click the inject button. Moving forward, wait for the confirmation, and then paste your desired script into the script box, click execute, and have some fun. Alright? Just a disclaimer, only use trusted websites. Do not exploit this one because it may lead to account ban, and basically for that one, use a VPN moving forward. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.